Welcome back. Now let's take a look at the Edit page. On the top of your screen you can see the two tabs, Add Elements and Page Settings. Let's go through the design elements. On the left side we have a dashboard with all the elements, and on the right side is the preview area. When you modify your content you can see changes in real time on this mobile screen. Let's begin with header text. By clicking the button the element is inserted into the screen. Now let's click the pencil icon. This opens a pop-up where you can write down or edit the header title. You have an option to style your text in bold and italic. Click the Save button to save all the changes that you have made. If you click the trash icon it will delete the element. Don't worry, if you click it by mistake, it will still ask you if you sure you want to delete this element? By clicking the button up and down you can change the order of the elements. Next element is Label. The only difference from header text and label is that the font size is smaller. You can use this element for field labels or similar text. The element Paragraph is used for writing all kinds of sentences. The font size is again smaller than header text. With Line Break you can position and separate your image, articles and other elements from each other. We will continue with image in the next tutorial.